Throughout the extensive tapestry of human history, there have been numerous documented instances of encountering unidentified flying objects, commonly referred to as UFOs. Enigmatic objects have defied easy categorization, as they come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and exhibit peculiar behaviors. They are often described as moving at speeds and with maneuverability far surpassing any conventional human-made aircraft. Consequently, a significant portion of the population entertains the notion that UFOs may be extraterrestrial spacecraft. However, it is essential to note that this hypothesis has yet to receive conclusive scientific validation. The mystique surrounding UFOs is intricately woven into the human narrative, with reports dating back centuries. These sightings are not limited by geographic boundaries or cultural contexts. They have occurred across the globe, transcending temporal and spatial confines. UFO encounters vary widely, with some individuals describing encounters with craft bearing strikingly different characteristics, while others recount astonishing feats of speed and agility, seemingly impossible for terrestrial technology to replicate. For those who subscribe to the notion that UFOs are of extraterrestrial origin, the implications are profound. It suggests that intelligent life exists beyond Earth, and that these beings possess advanced technology capable of traversing vast distances of interstellar space. Such a revelation would revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Yet, it is crucial to emphasize that despite the enduring allure of this hypothesis, it remains unproven within the rigorously empirical domain of science. Scientific exploration demands robust evidence and rigorous examination, and this is where the study of UFOs often falls short. While there are countless anecdotal accounts and eyewitness testimonies of UFO sightings, concrete scientific evidence supporting the extraterrestrial spacecraft hypothesis remains elusive. This deficiency in empirical verification has left many skeptics questioning the validity of such claims. The absence of irrefutable scientific evidence has led to ongoing debates within the UFO research community. Some argue that we may indeed possess substantial evidence, but governments worldwide are concealing it, possibly out of fear of widespread and against societal division that might result from confirming the existence of extraterrestrial visitors. This concealment, if it exists, raises ethical and moral questions about the role of governments in managing information about potentially world-altering phenomena. Recent developments have added a new layer of complexity to the UFO discourse. The United States Navy confirmed the authenticity of video footage captured by military personnel depicting unidentified aerial phenomena in various encounters. These videos, captured between December 2017 and March 2018, were released by the To the Stars Academy of Art Science, shedding further light on these unexplained aerial objects. The video footage showcases UFOs exhibiting rapid, unconventional movements, as recorded by advanced infrared sensors. In one instance from 2004, sensors closely tracked a UFO as it accelerated directly adjacent to a military target, seemingly defying the laws of physics with its extraordinary speed and agility. Two other videos, recorded in 2015, feature conversations among American fighter pilots attempting to make sense of what they were witnessing. The To the Stars Academy of Art Science identified two distinct features that set these airborne objects apart from conventional rockets or aircraft. Firstly, these objects lack wings or clear tails, making them distinct from typical aircraft. Secondly, there is no discernible exhaust plume, which is usually a hallmark of conventional propulsion systems. These observations, based on data from sophisticated infrared sensors, typically used in military aircraft, have left experts grappling for explanations. Under the administrations of Presidents Clinton and George W. Bush, senior defense officials confirmed the authenticity of these videos, along with corroborating accounts from radar operators and other military personnel. This acknowledgement marked a significant departure from the usual stance of government agencies, which often remained tight-lipped regarding UFO encounters. Such endorsements have fueled speculation about the true nature of these unidentified aerial phenomena. Taking this disclosure a step further, the Pentagon officially released 3 videos on April 27, 2020. The U.S. Department of Defense made it clear that the release aimed to dispel any misconceptions about the legitimacy of the circulating footage. They also asserted that the release did not compromise any sensitive capabilities or systems, nor did it hinder subsequent investigations into military encounters with unknown aerial entities. In light of these revelations, the question of whether UFOs are piloted by time travelers from the future has emerged as a novel hypothesis. Some scientists postulate that these experiences of encountering UFO or extraterrestrial beings could be instances of humans encountering time travelers from the future. These hypothetical time travelers may be motivated by a desire to study or interact with their distant ancestors, shedding light on the mysteries of their own past. These theories, while speculative, underscore the persistent fascination with the unknown and the unexplained. The quest to unravel the enigma of UFOs has been ongoing for centuries, and despite advancements in technology and our understanding of the cosmos, it remains an enduring mystery. While science suggests that governments may secret, concrete answers remain elusive. The existence of UFOs is tangible and unexplained phenomenon reality. Numerous reports of unidentified aerial objects defy conventional explanation and continue to captivate the human imagination. While some contend that these sightings are evidence of extraterrestrial beings visiting our planet, others seek more straightforward explanations, emphasizing the need for rigorous scientific inquiry. As humanity's understanding of the universe continues to evolve, we may eventually uncover alternative explanations for these enduring mysteries, reshaping our perception of reality itself. The persistence of UFO sightings and a recent acknowledgement of unexplained aerial phenomena by government authorities have breathed life into the long-standing quest for answers. While these developments shed light on the existence of UFOs as genuine, unidentified objects, they do not provide conclusive evidence of their extraterrestrial origin or time travel in nature. Consequently, the scientific community remains engaged in a pursuit of empirical explanations for these enigmatic encounters, where the prevailing theory posits that UFOs may be the result of advanced human-made technology, either from foreign governments or undisclosed classified projects. This hypothesis suggests that these crafts represent a significant leap forward in aerospace engineering, potentially employing propulsion systems and materials that remain hidden from public view due to national security concerns. Proponents argue that the U.S. government's acknowledgement of these sightings might be a subtle way of acknowledging the existence of advanced, secret military projects without revealing classified information. However, skeptics of the man-made theory point to the extraordinary capabilities exhibited by some UFOs, such as abrupt changes in direction, instantaneous acceleration, and the absence of visible exhaust plumes. They argue that our current understanding of physics and engineering does not provide a satisfactory explanation for these observed behaviors. Moreover, the presence of these craft in restricted airspace, often in military installations, raises concerns about national security and air safety. Another plausible explanation for UFOs is that they are the result of natural phenomena or atmospheric anomalies that we have yet to fully understand. Earth's atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system, capable of producing a wide range of optical illusions and mirages. These atmospheric effects can distort light, making objects appear to move in unusual ways, or even disappear and reappear. While some UFO sightings might be attributed to such atmospheric phenomena, this explanation does not account for all encounters, especially those involving radar tracking and multiple eyewitnesses. Additionally, psychological factors play a crucial role in UFO sightings. Human perception is susceptible to misinterpretation, especially when faced with unfamiliar or unexpected stimuli. Optical illusions, group psychology, and cognitive biases can lead individuals to perceive ordinary objects as extraordinary phenomena. Therefore, comprehensive investigations into UFO sightings must consider both objective evidence and the subjective experiences of eyewitnesses. One of the most challenging aspects of researching UFOs is the lack of comprehensive, scientific data and standardized protocols for investigation. The field is fraught with inconsistencies and unreliable accounts, making it challenging to separate genuine unidentified phenomena from hoaxes, misidentifications, and optical illusions. To gain a deeper understanding of UFOs, it is essential to establish standardized reporting mechanisms, gather high-quality data, and apply rigorous scientific methodologies. Efforts to unravel the UFO enigma have gained momentum in recent years. Independent organizations, such as the Scientific Coalition for Crop Studies, have emerged to conduct systematic investigations into unexplained aerial phenomena. These organizations aim to collect credible data, apply scientific rigor to their analyses, and collaborate with experts in various fields, including aviation, physics, and psychology. Furthermore, the U.S. government has taken steps to destigmatize the study of UFOs. In December 2020, the Intelligence Authorization Act included provisions for the establishment of a permanent COP task force within the Department of Defense. This task force's mission is to investigate and report on unidentified aerial phenomena encountered by military personnel, providing a more structured approach to studying UFOs. Scientific endeavors in this field must encompass a multidisciplinary approach, incorporating expertise from diverse domains. By collaborating across fields like astrophysics, aeronautics, psychology, and entomology, researchers can develop a more comprehensive understanding of UFO sightings. This approach should encompass not only the investigation of individual sightings, but also the systematic collection of data, the development of standardized reporting procedures, and the utilization of advanced technology for data analysis. As humanity advances technologically and deepens its understanding of the universe, the mystery of UFOs remains an intriguing frontier while skepticism persists. The undeniable existence of unexplained aerial phenomena demands further exploration and inquiry. Whether these encounters are the result of extraterrestrial visitations, advanced human-made technology, natural phenomena, or psychological factors, the pursuit of answers remains essential to unraveling the enigma that has captivated human curiosity for centuries. In conclusion, the phenomenon of UFOs continues to intrigue and mystify, provoking a relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding. While the extraterrestrial hypothesis remains a captivating possibility, the scientific community remains cautious, advocating for rigorous empirical investigation. As we venture further into the cosmos and refine our scientific methodologies, the answers to the UFO enigma may come within reach, potentially reshaping our perception of the universe and our place within it. The quest for answers regarding UFOs and unidentified aerial phenomena is a multifaceted endeavor that requires collaboration, dedication, and a commitment to scientific rigor. As we delve deeper into this enigmatic realm, several key areas of investigation and inquiry emerge, each contributing to our understanding of these puzzling occurrences. Advanced propulsion and technology. One of the most compelling aspects of UFO sightings is the technology these objects seem to possess. To unravel this aspect of the mystery, experts in aerospace engineering, propulsion systems, and materials science must collaborate with physicists and engineers. Understanding the propulsion mechanisms employed by these craft, as well as the materials used in their construction, could revolutionize our own technological advancements and shape the future of aerospace. The extraterrestrial hypothesis. While skepticism remains, the possibility of extraterrestrial visitations continues to captivate the imagination. To explore this hypothesis further, astronomers and astrobiologists search for signs of intelligent life beyond Earth, both within our solar system and in distant galaxies. The search for microbial life on Mars, the study of exoplanets, and the search for radio signals from distant civilizations are all vital components of this quest. Psychological and cognitive factors. Human mind plays a crucial role in UFO sightings. Psychologists and neuroscientists investigate the cognitive biases, optical illusions, and perceptual factors that can lead to misinterpretations. Additionally, the psychological impact of UFO encounters on witnesses, including trauma and long-lasting effects, must be studied to gain a comprehensive understanding of these experiences. Data collection and analysis. The collection and analysis of high-quality data are paramount in UFO research. Meteorologists, astronomers, and radar experts collaborate to develop standardized reporting procedures and data from multiple sources, including military radar, civilian eyewitness accounts, and advanced sensor systems. Analyzing this data with cutting-edge technology and artificial intelligence can help identify patterns and anomalies in UFO sightings. International collaboration. UFO sightings are a global phenomenon, and international collaboration is essential. Governments, space agencies, and methodologies and findings. This collaborative approach can lead to a more comprehensive and cohesive understanding of UFOs and their potential implications for humanity. Public engagement and education. Raising public awareness and fostering scientific literacy regarding UFOs are critical. Educational institutions, museums, and science communicators can play a significant role in providing accurate information and dispelling myths surrounding UFOs. Encouraging young scientists and researchers to explore this field with an open mind is essential for the future of UFO studies. Ethical considerations as research in this field advances. Ethical considerations regarding potential contact with extraterrestrial civilizations, how the impact on society must be addressed. Ethicists, anthropologists, and sociologists can contribute valuable insights into the ethical dilemmas and societal consequences that may arise from confirmed contact with intelligent extraterrestrial beings. Government transparency. Worldwide should continue to embrace transparency regarding UFO investigations. Declassifying historical UFO-related documents and sharing information with the public as an important step in building trust and promoting informed discourse. Governments should also allocate resources for further research and investigation into UFOs to facilitate scientific inquiry. The pursuit of answers regarding UFOs and UFOs is not merely an academic or a scientific endeavor. It is a testament to humanity's curiosity and our innate drive to understand the mysteries of the universe, while the search for concrete explanations continues. The journey itself is a source of inspiration and wonder. In closing, UFO phenomenon challenges our current understanding of science, technology, and the cosmos. It reminds us that the universe is vast and teeming with unexplored mysteries. As we navigate this uncharted territory, the commitment to rigorous scientific inquiry, international collaboration, and public engagement will guide us toward a deeper understanding of UFOs. And, perhaps, a profound revelation about our place in the cosmos. The quest for answers is as much about the journey as it is about the destination, and it is a journey that preys us to reshape our worldview and expand our understanding of the universe.